Dragging and dropping files into Moodle. There are two ways to add documents such as presentations or word-processed files to your Moodle course. One way is by simply dragging them and dropping them straight onto your course page. We look at that here. The second way is by using Moodle's Activity Chooser and File Picker, and we look at that in a later video. Both ways need the editing to be turned on. Then, if your browser shows you a message saying that you can drag and drop files, this means you're able to use the drag and drop method. If you don't see that, ask your administrator for help. Over on the right, I have a presentation, Lecture Notes, and in order to add it to Moodle, I simply need to choose a section where I want it. Here, for instance, I'd like the lecture notes in the listening section, so I place the cursor on the presentation, click onto it, hold it, and simply drag it to where I want. The dotted box will appear and then it will automatically be uploaded. And if you make a mistake, remember that we can move it either by drag and drop, or if we have a very long course page, by clicking on the move icon and choosing where we want it to go. For instance, here from the listening section into the reading section. It's also possible to drag and drop several files at the same time. If you click and select all of them, you can drag them all into your course page together. Also, if you put your files into a folder, you can drag the whole folder in, but first it's important that you can press or zip the folder, as you can see here. Then when you drop it in, you're prompted to unzip it, and this will then display the folder with your files inside.